reservation. The caller reported that their golden retriever had fallen through the ice.
Look at that dog, he is stuck in ice. The rescue teams arrived to save him. Just look at that. I hope so, he will be fine. That's too cold for a dog. Now the man is trying to remove the ice. He is really a fighter. It's so hard for them to break the ice. Oh my god. The second person also dipped into the water. Look at the remaining team who slowly pulling the rope. At last, they just saved the dog, removing all extra water and try to dry him. I think they have to give him a proper medical care. Just look at that. He's so cute.